you are a car guy, and more specifically into drifting, you will know the importance of having a tire hookup. Not so much from the perspective of getting tires for free or at a discounted rate, although that would be an awesome tire hookup, but I'm talking about getting tires mounted and not being charged an arm and a leg. And that is why we are on our way to go visit my boy Pedro to get a tire mounted.
What's up, bro? I haven't seen you in a minute.
I know, right?
You got a girlfriend, you don't hit up nobody. What's up?
Well, I've been telling Pedro for years now, he needs to get himself a Z, and then we're gonna start a little drift club for St. Augustine, the Zaints. How cheesy is that? So Pedro, when are we gonna get you a Z?
I'm in the market, I'm still looking.
Aren't we supposed to be looking at one this weekend, hopefully?
Hopefully, we'll see what they, how that goes.
And boom, there we go. $10 for a mountain balance. Sure beats the 25 that a lot of other tire places would charge. Valentine's Day shopping complete. Had to get some flowers for my mama and Jess, of course. I just think it's funny because this is totally a car guy move. Flowers, of course, we got some transmission fluid.
What is it?
Ah, Lord, you put your dad to shame.
Not me.
Lord.
You're in trouble.
Thank you, Alan.
Happy Valentine's.
You know what?
Thank you.
He ate one.
All right, it's almost 11 o'clock. Jess finally got here, so now I get to give her her Valentine's gift. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Yes,
Why?
because I said so.
I never got
Okay, oops. Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
All right, it is the next day, and honestly, guys, I made a big mistake. I had ordered my dad tires for his FJ and accidentally ordered 9 too many. And good thing I got Jess here to help me return them. She's all dressed up, ready to start her day, although it's 12:30 because she took forever getting ready.
Shut up, I was waiting for you. Now you're taking too long so I can move these tires for you. You're just filming.
Oh, you're so cute when you're a little upset. So before we take these to FedEx to get returned, I figured I want to take a little picture of them like I'm the king of tires.
Yeah, and I'll just keep moving them for you. I feel like I'm dating a girl.
And because these are the KENDA Clevers, they're off-road truck tires, I want to put them all in like a stack and be like King KENDA or something like that.
Queen KENDA.
Queen KENDA, okay,
I
true.
moved them all, so you don't get the picture I do.
You were just having too much fun with these tires, aren't you?
I mean, if you're gonna make me move them, I may as well climb them.
Well, don't fall, please. It's not the most stable thing.
Happy Saturday!
Yeah, whoop-de-doo. Saturday, the day before Valentine's Day. We celebrated a day earlier, and I'm making Jess return tires with me.
So romantic. I love dating you.
But yeah, you might be wondering, Alan, how did you order 9 extra tires? Truth be told, I don't know. I think I just clicked order one too many times. The
You
FJ,
mean 9 too many times?
Well, it was like an order of 4 and then an order of 5 that I accidentally clicked twice on. I mean, the FJ has 5 tires in total. 5. So yeah, I already printed out all of the shipping labels. It's just a matter of taking them, but I want my photo.
So if you guys were wondering why Alan was single for so long, it's because this is how we are spending our Valentine's Day. So don't be surprised if he's single again. Oh,
It's not Valentine's Day, it's the day before Valentine's Day.
you're gonna be single both days. So yeah, if anyone wants him, he comes with 9 free tires.
Who needs to go to the gym when you over-order tires? $20 a month gym membership? No. $3,000 in tires? Yeah.
Babe, you should still go to the gym.
Hey. Welcome to Alan's Tire Emporium. Would you like a tire?
No, I'd like to go on a Valentine's date.
Oh. I don't think I can get another one.
Try.
I can't even get at it.
Yes, I'm Tire King. Oh my god, you're gonna fall out. Okay, stop.
Okay. All right. I've had enough fun.
I haven't. I want to see you fall.
Oh no, my pants got stained. All right, well, we're here. And they didn't want to take the tires initially, but we drove 45 minutes to drop them off. So they're gonna take
So not only did Alan just return 9 huge freaking tires at this FedEx drop-off place, but he asked me to film it, and the people were just judging so hard. Like, oh my god.
Yeah, I don't think they appreciate having 9 huge truck tires in there, but I got
Or
the
me
receipt.
filming the whole thing.
It happens. Hey, we do YouTube. We gotta film stuff.
You do YouTube.
You're right. Happy Valentine's, Jess. I know we didn't get to celebrate on Valentine's since you went back to Orlando, but you were very much appreciated and a welcomed addition to the channel. But before we sign off today, I have one more surprise in store for you all. If you remember, I had mentioned that the company I work for also owns DeVilbiss. So I was able to get my hands on 2 of their top of the line guns. Right in here, we have the DeVilbiss DV1 clear coat gun and their base coat gun. Way overkill for a painting rookie like myself, but I will have no excuses for putting together a quality job. I got all the equipment, you see it? So it is up to me as far as the prep work and then the spraying is concerned. Let's go ahead and open these suckers up. Nice packaging. Ooh, would you look at that? That looks to be super high quality. Wow. Digital pressure gauge and all that. Looks like it came with some components as well, different air caps and such. And then the clear coat gun similarly. Yeah, look at this. Ain't she a beaut? Big shout out to the guys over at Carlisle Fluid Technologies for the hookup, and I am so stoked to be able to get to work on the FRS. It's been sitting like this for the last month and a half or so. We've been super busy filming a lot of other content, whether it be street drifting or just getting the garage set up for paint. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe because we have a lot of FRS stuff coming down the pipeline. And not to mention for all of you old subscribers, I've been thinking about some type of engine swap. More to come on that later though. So with that said, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace.